I'll be reviewing is the Mcoplus vertical battery grip extension for Sony A7III series cameras. So quite a few cameras that this vertical battery grip can attach to. I think it does improve the ergonomics and the handling of the camera. So as you see, it can attach to the camera electronically here. So that'll connect to the battery terminal. It'll power the camera with the two batteries here. So instead of having one battery, you'll have two batteries in this compartment. Your battery door, which comes off really easily, and you'll just attach it and lock it and keep it safe in here. Like I said, you can control your shutter, give you some other options that you can control your camera from here. So like when you switch it from horizontal to vertical, you'll still have your shutter button right here, and you can turn it off and on if you'd like with this. So you can lock it, turn it on, lock it, turn it on if you want to use the shutter on the battery grip. Like I said, it does three things. It improves the handling of your mirrorless camera. It gives you extended battery life by having two batteries available, and you can control your camera better when you're shooting vertically. We all know what battery grips are. This one is affordable and it works, and you can control your camera using the vertical grip here. And like I said, extends two batteries in one. I recommend every shooter, especially if you do events or weddings, to get a battery grip. It just makes for better handling, and it gives you more shooting time by having two batteries, and it helps you with your shooting by having controls on the grip as well as on the camera body.